In this video, we're going to be talking about editing global system settings related to your website. From the MODX dashboard, you'll find a button named Configuration. Underneath here, you'll see various tabs relating to sections of your website. This is our demo website, so yours may look ever so slightly different. The reason why we have global configuration settings is that it's a single place where you can enter in details which are replicated all the way through the website automatically. Some of these settings are even tied into pieces of logic. So for example, email addresses are commonly tied in to the form submission email addresses used on the website, meaning you update that setting in one area and it updates everywhere for you automatically. We try to keep these in human-readable formats with descriptions relating to each. Some common settings that we have are email and telephone number, social media links, scripts, and then settings with regards to development. If we have a look at scripts, you'll see that they're separated into three different sections. Head scripts are scripts which typically appear inside of the head section of the website. Opening scripts are scripts that appear immediately after the body tag. And closing scripts are scripts which are included immediately before the closing body tag. Underneath the Development tab, there are settings with regards to the functionings of the website. You shouldn't ever need to edit these.